Today we are heading to the town of Nefels, and we will drive to one of my favorite spots, Klöntalersee. This is absolutely stunning lake in Canton Glarus. It's a short drive from there, but the views are just incredible. Let's hit the road and enjoy the journey to this beautiful and peaceful lake. If you're looking for a day trip around Zurich, this is a perfect 1-hour drive from there. Once you cross the town Nefels, just drive another 10 minutes and you will see the direction of the mountain road. You will notice the scenery really started to change here. If you are driving this road for the first time, the road might seem a bit narrow, but personally, I found enough places to let the incoming traffic pass by. You can also reach this place by post bus, which starts from Glarus. I would highly recommend that you check the post bus timetable and avoid the time when the bus is coming downhill. Driving on this route is always an adventure, but when you look from just few meters above, the whole place looks magical. This is one of the cleanest and most beautiful alpine lake in the country. Now, the best part of the drive. There are plenty of parking spots on both sides of the lake. If you like such videos, please share your feedback in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Till next time, keep looking for things to do in Swiss.